In this video, you'll learn how to create a grid of items that are on sale. As you can see, this is an e-commerce website and I'm on the page editor window. I want to create a grid of products that are on sale. I've created the page using Elementor. In case you want to learn how to use Elementor templates in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. So let's add the section here. From various elements that Elementor provides, simply search for the shortcode. Drag and drop shortcode elements here like this. Once done, paste the shortcode here like this. I'm adding this code in the description, and you can get it from there. This code will create a grid of popular products that are on sale. You can see the products have been added here. These are ordered by popularity, but are on sale. This is how easy it is to create a grid of products that are on sale. Now, we have various other videos related to WordPress that can help you in building your site in a much easier way. I've linked a few of them here in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.